Hi, this is Denzel Franco here, former India international football player, and I'm here to talk about my football journey, where it started and how far it went on. This is where my journey began in 2000 as a 16-year-old kid. I think the journey was fruitful. My dream of playing to the top level of Indian football has been fulfilled.
The local captain. Deep conversation with Graham Stack, who's left out, you can see.
I won the first ISL trophy with ATK Mohan Bagan from Kolkata. I had the privilege of playing for the state team. I had the privilege of playing for the national team and being the winner of the Nehru Cup 2012 against Cameroon, and at the same time in 2009 against Maldives in the SAF Cup finals. It's a time for me to give back to the community. How do I give back to the community is a big question, because my friends, there is no support. I need support, and when I wanted this support, I think Trinamool Congress, a party which has supported sports personalities and sports people way back in West Bengal, especially Mamta Didi, the MP Prasun Banerjee, ex-footballer and Arjuna Wadi, and of course the sports minister like Manoj Tiwari in the setup. I think this is all about sports. This government is here to support and look for a better future for the younger kids, the younger sports personalities of today. My humble request, my earnest request to the people of Goa, we need a change for us, for what all we have gone through. Support me in whatever I have accomplished in my life to give back to the community.